Hey everyone, good afternoon. I work primarily in the real-time control systems, HVAC, lighting, and energy management systems. And there's obviously a significant amount of technology changes that's going on in the world. And a lot of it is the implementation of IT kind of technologies, which is really what I've been working on pretty much all my life. And a lot of that work has sort of been done under the banner of the Coalition for Smarter Buildings, that is a partner organization of ALN. And one of the sort of interesting things that's happening is the C4SB is in the process of becoming part of the Linux Foundation. And the Linux Foundation, for those who are not familiar with that organization, is a foundation that manages obviously the Linux open source code, but it's also an organization that manages a lot of thousands of other projects that's sort of related to cloud native computing and computing generally. And this is a very, very significant change for the industry. So we are preparing to go to AHR, which is the trade show that is held at the same time as the ASHRAE winter meeting in Orlando in February, starting February 9th. And one of the sort of interesting things that we're doing is that the discussion about IT technologies in HVAC has been sort of bubbling along for literally decades. But we think this is a very significant change. So we wanted to sort of communicate the enormity of this change. We've basically gone down the path of using the "Who Moved My Cheese" sort of allegory to actually communicate what's actually going on here, the changes that's going on. So we've been talking about the "Who Moved Your Cheese" sort of concept in Monday Live, which is a show that we do every Monday. And that is going to be the theme of the AHR Expo and ASHRAE outing, because we really want to communicate that it's not just one thing that's changed, it's actually a lot of things that's changed, both technology and practices, how you buy stuff and how you deploy stuff and how you build stuff. Literally, it sort of impacts everything. And one of the sort of interesting things that Mike and I had some email exchange, and he's sort of familiar with this, is that from an asset management perspective, he kind of went straight to, why don't you just move the cheese somewhere where it needs to be moved so that behavior can change? So I kind of want to leave it there and to link the enormous change in the trades to the asset leadership kind of way of thinking about it.